As a doctor, I have seen devastating impact lung cancer can have, especially when it is caught too late. But many of its early signs are often ignored. Persistent coughing, chest pain, shortness of breath, even coughing up blood. These are not just symptoms of bad cold. They could be early signs of lung cancer. The biggest risk is smoking, responsible for most cases. But even non-smokers can be affected by secondhand smoke or exposure to harmful chemicals in the environment. Early detection can make all the difference. If you notice these symptoms, don't wait. Talk to your doctor, get checked. Together we can fight this.